Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today's video we are going to show you how to deploy a MariaDB server on Ubuntu machine using Ansible Playbook. So for this demonstration we need up and running Ansible server we have and root access on target machine we have and internet connectivity with nodes. And here I have Ansible server. So let's check a connection with node target machine. So I'm going to execute Ansible all -m and then ping. So I can able to talk with my target machine, which is good. And then we are ready to create a MariaDB playbook YAML file. So just copy this command and copy paste on your terminal, and then copy entire playbook task and paste here. So all the tested task. So what we need to do, we need to just update the host name in our host file for Ansible. So it's a MariaDB servers and save it. Open your host file. So I'm using default. So here I need to update MariaDB. All looks good. Save it and then again check connectivity with target machine. Okay, and now we are good to deploy the MariaDB using Ansible Playbook. So just copy this command and execute on your terminal. So it will take some time. So it's starting executing their task. So it's make connection, it's updating repository, and now installing MariaDB. So so it's finished now, and we have recap. So there is 4 change, and there is no any kind of fail and ignore. So I believe our MariaDB server is installed. To check, we need to use sudo mysql. We should get terminal like this. So we can see that we are able to log in MariaDB and able to execute these commands. So I hope you will like this video, and I'm going to share this tutorial link in description below. And if you want to get more information about DevOps tool and techniques to automate the DevOps tools and automation of the infra and packages, so you should like, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.